Or did not.
Titanic.
Already, bro.
What is this?
Pray to the shrine. What did that
The
do?
challenge of a mountain.
Okay, I don't like the sound of that.
Yeah, I mean.
Imagine that's a fucking boss or something. I'm like, actually
Probably.
kill myself.
Or it's probably gonna be maybe.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Just kidding.
Nope. Oh, he hit me.
I'm heading over there.
Trying. I got something. Oddly shaped opal. Oh,
I'm gonna grab this chest real quick.
Oh, okay. That's something.
Oh no. No! Oh, you mean not a boss.
I would assume it's just like
Ally or something.
Dude, white guy has so much. Dude, why is the dash take so long?
Why did I fucking buy a turret? This was the worst investment of my life. And it's probably like 100. I don't even have 100. Oh, I can't even use this shrine no more. Ow, ow. Owie.
Nope, Oh!
Oh, why would you try?
I dashed, but I almost fell off.
That would have been so sad, bro.
Okay, yeah, that's the teleporter. I think, yeah. Am I?
Uh-oh.
Or am I going? Nope, that's the teleporter.
Okay, that's a teleporter.
Let the challenge of the mountain begin.
Oh, I can't even use it.
Oh! I see. I see what it does. Okay.
What does it do? Oh my god.
There's two of them. Can I fly, please?
Not everyone has that luxury, bro. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, have fun doing that. I just fell all the way down. Oh, how do I get back up there? Yeah, I don't know where the fuck I am right now. Oh, no.
God, there's so much happening on my screen. I can't tell what's happening. Please let me die. Okay.
Oh no, please.
Can my flight come back? Please, 13 seconds. Oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, one of them's died.
One of them?
One of them. God,
oh, that's the challenge. Oh, I'm not getting the light for long.
The good thing is that this boss isn't like that bad. It just summons a lot of guys.
Oh my god, ow. Almost dead. Like
I
20
pushed
health.
into the wall.
I can't even see anything.
On. I'm gonna try to get there. Okay, wait, you're still alive. I don't know why I thought that was like a revive icon.
I'm gonna get the question mark. Do extra damage to bosses. Crazy. Oh, they dropped a shit ton. Recruit a beetle guard. Oh my god, look!
Wait, you gotta
I don't think it moves. Oh, he does. That's crazy.
The blade did not hit anything. Is there any more chests before we can like move on?
There's.
Let me see if there's more.
What are these things? Get razor wire. Oh, I want razor wire.
Alright.
I don't know how I survived that under here.
Flying is a little bit wonky, but it works. Oh no, baby. Alright, here we go. Blue ball.
Hopefully my guy comes. Okay, he doesn't. But wonderful.
No, he does.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Do you want to do another turn?
No, please. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's not good.
Power at least.
I heard you the first 3 times. Love you too. Sorry, my dad was talking to me. Oh no.
Disposable
Wait, what?
missile launcher. Something. You want a missile launcher?
Yeah, bro. I'll take one. Fire some more missiles.
Crowbar, deal bonus damage to enemies above 90%.
What is this? Gain 100% critical strike chance for 8 seconds. Ooh, you can have the... Yeah. Ooh, I thought that was an enemy for a second. That's so cool. I mean, it's whether you want high attack for a while, or... I need to spend my money. I just keep saving it and not spending it. Oh, this is a teleporter. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, he's right next to me. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Critical bird. No, I don't have them anymore. I got the critical bird. No, he's almost dead anyways. Oh, I'm almost dead. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Wait, please.
He's almost dead.
Like Senator Armstrong. Like,
shipping request form. Before we, do you see any shrines anywhere else for the item things? Because before we go in.
there's a chest right here.
I'm looking. Okay, that's a item converter thing.
I don't know what having duplicates do.
I don't see any fuck. Cursed is fucking shitty map. That barely has any thing. Look at your items compared to mine, bro. What the hell?
It's because I just like collect every chest I see.
Yeah, I mean,
This is an HP one.
I'm not. High damage also creates unstable black holes.
Well, the black holes are mid. Oh, right here, right here, right here.
Okay. Ooh, I did not mean to pick that up. That was my bad. How do I? Can I drop it?
No, never mind. I didn't get it.
Okay. Use what?
The chain thing.
The shield?
The shrine.
No.
Okay.
Oh god. At least we fucking made it to hard.
Yeah. Well, we're close to very hard.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. Killing an enemy ignites other nearby enemies. That's pretty good, I think.
Sort of.
Yeah. It's better than, I don't know. Yeah.
What is this thing? So much HP.
Wait, there we go, he finally died. What is that? Is that dude bush camping? Oh, never mind, it's a dude. I thought they were a bush for some reason. Ow, ow, ow! Chill the hell out, bro. Chill the hell out. Yeah, better run.
Oh! I almost stepped into the ice. Okay, this little bug though. He got frozen.
Okay. Nice.
So, why is this chest cost so much?
Probably because we don't play. Banner. Reactivate fan.
What did I get?
Oh, I reactivated the fan. That's crazy. I don't know what it did, but yeah, let's go. Wee. Am I? Oh. Oh dang, that's... I didn't realize.
God, the dodging the lasers
Oh god. What is this? No, I did not mean to summon enemies. Oh god. Why do you have so much health, bro? Oh, it's like a mission.
Assuming like the summoning is far more gold.
Yeah. I mean, I have gold. I'm good on gold. I just don't have items.
There's that.
Ow. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, where? Oh. 6, nothing. Oddly shaped opal. Oh. Okay, I don't like how much damage I'm taking. I almost have 1,000. I don't need that much. Yeah, before it gets on insane.
You know how that went last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even know if there is a difficulty.
I'm pretty sure there's a difficulty after these.
I don't want to know.
Is it this way? I guess. Not 1,000 gold. To finish that
Yeah,
much.
me too. Oh, that's a black hole. Ow.
A sun grenade.
Oh, you're okay.
Here's the color.
Oh, that's the thing. No, I would have. Oh, wait. Shit, where is it, bro? This laser! Did you find it? Yeah. It's so cheap. You got overkill reference. Oh, my guy is really low. But he's dead. There's no way he's surviving this. I just saved his life. He can thank me later. Oh, never mind. There's another one. What are you doing? Why are you standing still? Oh, he's getting healed. I'm getting healed.
God, we're so close to insane. I don't want to put plus insane.
I can't even find it. We can't even find it, bro.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't stay insane.
Yeah, that'd probably be for the best. Oh no, not a fucking or not Minotaur, but Bull or whatever. Yeah, we're nearly at insane. Okay, now we hit 2,000. That's crazy. Okay, he's at full health.
Oh, I see
now.
it. We literally walked past it a while ago.
There's no way we're doing this, but we'll try. Yeah, insane. I hope. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm running as fast as I can, bro.
Your little beetle bird.
Magma worm. What the fuck? Oh, it's like fucking the destroyer.
No.
It's like the fucking destroyer from Terraria. That's a big worm!
That's a large worm. Bristles. How do you fight this thing?
Oh no! How do you even beat it? I think it's possible.
Where is it?
It just keeps fucking disappearing into the snow, bro. Ow! That was
I
weird.
even hit it with my skills.
Ow! Yeah, just targeting me, bro. Okay, girl. It's almost at half, I guess. They're all fucking chasing me right now. Oh god. Ow. Yeah. Where's my fucking beetle guard actually hit the boss? So it's kinda hard to hit the boss because you just keeps fucking disappearing. Don't die, bro. Enter the teleporter zone. We gotta finish this before it hits 100. Oh my god. Why is it only fucking targeting me, bro? I don't understand.
I don't even know what
It's almost dead. We got this. Okay, now there's a fucking goal. Uh-oh. Come on, you're dead! Did I die? Oh my god. Okay, let's get out of here, bro.
my deals quadruple damage.
There's impossible!
What?
Do you see the difficulty,
No.
bro? After insane?
Oh my, there's still something after that?
What the hell is that?
What is that? Oh. Wait, is that like a mini boss? Like, I'm pretty sure that's
I thought we fought that boss. Yeah. Ah! Oh god, what is that?
Oh no!
No, 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 no. Yeah, might as well, like, just pray. Oh god, I'm dead.
Please don't die. Okay, it's dead.
Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I have 9 health, bro. I died.
Okay, 2 rounds. I'm just gonna run away.
That's what killed me. Those bunch of guys that just explode on impact.
Where we go?
Oh, there's another difficulty after impossible. Good luck. I see you. Yeah, probably I see you, yeah. Good luck, bro. Clear the void seed. 8 monsters are remaining. I think that's what the void seed is. Seed. Yeah, the purple guys. The other guys don't matter.
What is that?
Oh my god.
Why am I taking like poison damage?
Oh, that's probably where they are.
Detonate enemies on kill. Okay. There's a lot going on here. We're so close to icy. I'm so close to icy. Oh, there's a teleporter! The teleporter! I don't know why I grabbed that one. I knew it was gonna be because I knew I already had it. God, I just need to like live.
I'll just make a run for it.
I'm taking so much damage in the zone.
Okay, there you go, you got it. I just got hung up fucking teleporter.
life for 30 consecutive minutes.
Oh, there's a difficulty after I see you. Good luck.
Oh god. Wandering Vagrant. Oh,
There's two? Yeah, I think
get
it's
me
a lost
away,
cause.
get me away, get me away, no, 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 get me away, get me away, get away, get me away, get me away, please, please, no, no, no. What is that? Can I survive? I think the next difficulty is
Yeah, probably. Oh, I'm coming. I think it's There, you have to clutch this.
I've never made a voice that high. Can I please? No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No!
Bro.
What was that?
That was unfair, bro.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay. It's interesting.
I'm actually about to lose it.